All right, you guys, let's go to Dollar Tree and see what's new. All right, they have these cute little 2-drawer tubs, mini tubs. These are $1.25. And y'all, I'm looking at these notebooks. I need my app because I need to know exactly how much these cost. But these are $1.50. Ain't no way. But what I am going to do, since it ain't no way. Uh-oh, wait a minute. I didn't mean to do that. All right, since it ain't no way, I'm gonna just wrap these up like this, throw them on my side, and I'm gonna go down here and grab this card. Okay, so they have these little cute bottles. I don't know what you could, I guess you could put alcohol in them and drink them. I would get them. I'm gonna show my mama. Yeah, I've probably already seen these for school. It's cute. I need something. Looking for jot notebooks. Let's Get Lost in Travel that I can redo and put my stuff on. I found some leather ones at the other store. Okay, I found the jot books that I bought at the other store for $1.25. Good deal. I grab those. These little file holders are cute. I don't know what you would do with them, but they're very cute. This is a task thing. I did not know they had these. They have them in different colors, so I'm gonna grab me one of those to help me stay on task. This book is cute too, but why do I feel like it's going to cost more than $1.50? I'm gonna take it along for the ride to see what the price is. All right, price check. Remember these? We're gonna see. $5. Put that back. These decals are beautiful. Look, they got window film. I'm sure y'all already seen the different bums. You got the Smurfs, the Turtles, Garfield. All right, they have the River and Road Honey Serum, Honey Mask, Cleansing Balm, and Whipped Moisturizer. Set in the post shave, shaving oil, and it looks like body polish. Do you guys know how to use that? Because I don't know what that is. Okay, there's more of the Amber Glow deodorant. They got vanilla cream, sweet rose, and golden amber. Now, Bio Pure Marshmallow Bath Bomb, Vanilla Bath Bomb, and Cherry Bath Bomb. Are these viral? Did somebody do something about the magnesium bath bombs? For some reason, I believe they did. Oh, those are the ones that was in the menthol eucalyptus, but they have magnesium in the lavender and chamomile.